Hi, welcome to another episode of Steven's Way Adventure YouTube channel. Today I'm going to hike in the Blood Mountain Wilderness and I will camp on the top of Preacher's Rock, do some primitive cooking and enjoy the view. I just finished today's work and today is Friday, so I cannot wait to go outside and do some exploring in the mountains. And I already got my pack loaded up and ready to go. Oh my god, today is so hot. That's good.
Down will help because accidents cause road closures and they will be avoided. Michelle
I have my beer spray ready in hand, ready to deploy if something happens. But hopefully we will not encounter a bear. That's not funny at all. I hate stairs. My cardio is just garbage. I cannot do such an incline so aggressively. With this 40 pounds bag, it really kills me. It's a good campsite. This is the top of the Preacher Rock. So beautiful here. Look at what I found. It's a perfect campsite, just 10 feet from the Preacher's Rock. I just set up my tent and let me give you a tour about my new apartment here in the Blood Mountain Wilderness. So this is my master room and you see there is a little kitchen over here. We'll see my amazing living room here. Great, I just set up my tent and right now I'm going to collect some firewood to start a fire and making some dinner. I'm going to find some sticks for starting the fire, and also trying to cut down some batteries for the firewood. Looks like that's the battery. I made this fire starter kit inside this case. I have this cotton ball, and also I have a ferric rod and a scrubber to start some spark, and the spark will ignite the cotton ball. I got some flour. I already add a pinch of yeast and salt and sugar in it. Give some warm water and wait for about 2 hours. It will double in size. So that's a good sign, you know you can bake them. I have some leftover rotisserie chicken from Costco. So I'm going to heat it up and make the bread and do a little sandwich here. Oh, I forgot the tin foil. Here we go. A homemade Costco rotisserie chicken sandwich. It's not too shabby. Now I need to hang up my food bag. It's about 9 p.m. I'm going to get inside my tent and have a good sleep. And this is what it looks like in my tent. It said it's a 2-person tent, but I don't think it can fit 2 persons. It can only fit me and my backpack. Hi, good morning. I just woke up. For last night, I didn't sleep well in the first couple of hours because I kept hearing the noise from the wind blowing my tent. And also I heard some wolf or coyotes howling outside my tent. That's a little bit creepy, but for the early morning couple of hours, I sleep pretty well, safe and sound. I got this sweet pork and rice dehydrated food. Actually, it tastes good. I just finished my breakfast and I only got this water left, so I think it's time for me to break the tent and leave. I think the storm is coming, so I'm better to leave this place as soon as possible. That's the end of this video, and that's quite an interesting adventure, and see you in the next one.